What are we doing today, Jim?
We're building a bus, a motor coach.
Yep. And we got Ronan back with us. Thanks for stopping by, bub.
Hello, thanks.
Oh, I didn't see him there. He's so
small.
tiny.
How tall are you, Ronan?
5'19".
5'19". Yeah. Ronan took time out of his busy schedule for his MBA and studying and a bunch of other stuff, so I appreciate you being here. Jim and I have been doing cabinets. I'll catch you up with all these later, but today we are going to be doing kitchen layout.
The kitchen layout for this cabinet, and also
check it out.
I'm going to show you how to build drawers.
That's right. So with the pantry here, we have the runners ready to go. We're going to put a couple doors on this, but we haven't done any drawers yet. So basically we're just laying everything out with the face, do the drawers afterwards. And speaking of which, the layout of the kitchen, can you touch base on that, Jim, what the plan is?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. We're going to have a fire pit right here.
Yep.
With an oven under it.
Made out of a 55-gallon drum, right?
Right.
Filled with cob.
He has a vintage stove that's really cool. And it's mostly stainless steel. And it's a propane. And it's going to sit right here. It's a 4-burner, which you don't find campers that have many 4-burner stoves. And it's got a nice oven. Everything works on it. We've already tested it. Then it's going to sit right there, and then right next to it, we're going to have a drop-down cabinet, and right next to it is going to be the freezer. Freezer is going to sit right up against, pretty close to against that wall, and it'll have the same countertop that we're using back here. So it's going to look really cool.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how the countertop is going to tie into the color that I picked, the cracked pepper. It's a darker color, kind of blackish gray almost, as well as the countertop and the white walls.
And when we get ready to put this bulkhead in here beside, I think we'll probably want to paint all of that out here, outside, because you've got this couch here and everything. It'll be a lot easier to go ahead and paint that, have it finished when we set it in here.
Mm-hmm.
The rest of it you can do in here.
Absolutely. Alrighty, let's get this laid out.